We are making shrimp salad today. All right, let's make a citrus and shrimp salad today. I will go through the ingredients as we go, but of course, in a shrimp salad, you need shrimp. So I have pulled the tails off of these already cooked shrimp, thawed them out because I bought them frozen, and now I'm just gonna cut them into chunks, just like that. And I'm using about 6 or 7 shrimp today in this salad. And that was the first step, getting those shrimp in there. I've already pre-cut all of my vegetables, so up next we have some chunks of cucumber. We've got red peppers going in. This is also going to be a very colorful salad. I really like it. I've done slices of radish, one of my favorite understated vegetables. I love all vegetables, but radish I feel like people forget about. I've also done really a much smaller chop on the jalapeno peppers, and I'm gonna add those in as well. With any recipe, it is a guide. So if you do not like jalapenos, don't use them. Use green peppers or just omit it. The next ingredient I want you to add is some chunks of grapefruit. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And look how beautiful we're already getting our salad. Up next, we need to put in your avocado. Cut into your avocado all the way around and twist to open. I like chunks of avocado in this one, so just score it into chunks. And then I like to take a fork or a spoon to scoop out those chunks. Finding the perfect avocado is not easy, but I do enjoy finding a very hard and green avocado and then letting it come to perfect ripeness in my home. So I'm going to use a whole avocado, both sides of the beautiful, delicious, creamy goodness that it has to offer. I like to use either cilantro or parsley in this, your choice. I know that there are people out there that do not enjoy the cilantro flavor, so go at it with parsley instead like I'm doing here. I like cilantro, I just don't have any. To finalize our ingredients, I am going to add 1 juice of a lime. This will help keep your avocados from getting brown. And to be honest, seafood and citrus just go together beautifully. 1 whole lime, so doing this twice. Get all the juices out. Perfect. The salad is almost done. We just need a little bit of extra seasoning. So we have all that lime juice in there for flavor. We've even got some of that grapefruit citrus gonna be coming out, but salt and pepper is a must. And let's do a little bit of olive oil as well. Now it's time to give it a good stir. How beautiful is this salad? Now you can eat this salad just like this. It has a little bit of tartness from that grapefruit, a little bit of heat from that jalapeno soaking into that lime juice. The textures are perfect because you've got this nice kind of meaty shrimp and the crunch of all the vegetables and then the smoothness of that avocado. So many layers of amazing flavors. If you don't want to eat it just like that, the other option is get yourself a bed of lettuce. I'm gonna add this on top of my spinach. You can also use arugula, that would be really nice. And then just place your shrimp salad on top of your bed of lettuce. Make sure you get a little bit of everything. And you don't need any dressing. because you can take all of that beautiful flavor and oil and citrus, and that is your dressing for the salad. Super healthy, super delicious, and super easy to make. Thank you for watching another episode of The Silly Kitchen. Please subscribe if you want to see more recipes that are healthy and delicious, but also scrumptious and cheesy. Have an awesome day. Till next time.